The most common way to transfer property upon one's death is by will. However, an alternative way to transfer assets upon death is by trust, which is used in substitution of a will. In the 1955 case Farkas v. Williams, the Supreme Court of Illinois considered the validity of a revocable living trust that failed to satisfy the statutory requirements of the creation of a will. Between December 1948 and March 1950, Albert Farkas made 4 purchases of stock in Investors Mutual Incorporated. For each purchase, Farkas instructed Investors Mutual to issue the stock in his name as trustee for Richard Williams, who was the beneficiary. For many years, Williams had been an employee in a veterinary practice that Farkas owned in Chicago. Additionally, Farkas signed declarations of trust which provided that Farkas, as settlor of the trust, was to receive all cash dividends of the stock during his lifetime. Williams, as beneficiary, was to receive the assets of the trust upon Farkas's death. Farkas retained the power to vote, sell, redeem, exchange, or otherwise deal in or with the stock. Further, Farkas retained the power to revoke the trust. The trust also would be automatically revoked if Williams predeceased Farkas. Farkas died intestate or without a will while Williams was alive. At the time of his death, Farkas's brothers, sisters, and a nephew and niece were his only surviving heirs at law. Farkas's sister and brother, Regina and Victor, were named co-administrators of his estate. Regina and Victor then brought an action for a declaratory judgment against Williams and Investors Mutual in circuit court, asking the court to invalidate the trust as a failed testamentary disposition. The circuit court found that the trust was invalid because it was testamentary in character and not executed with the formalities of a will. As a result, the court directed that the stock be awarded to Farkas's heirs as an asset of his estate. Williams and Investors Mutual appealed, and the Court of Appeals affirmed. Williams and Investors Mutual then appealed to the Supreme Court of Illinois.